Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing BOXYCHARM base box for the month of September 2020. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is a beauty subscription box with various prices, and the base box is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty products, and the value of all the products you get is $125, and sometimes it's even more. So that's pretty good. But before we unbox, I just want to tell you guys that I'm very happy and thankful for all the support I've been getting recently on my channel and my Instagram. So thank you very much for all that. And don't get discouraged if you didn't win in the last giveaway I did on YouTube. I'm going to be having more giveaways on YouTube and on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me at Lismania Beauty. And if you want to see this look, how I created it to recreate it, you can actually go ahead and check it out on my Instagram as well. I use REALHER Makeup, and I have the link below in my description, as well as the discount code if you guys want to purchase anything. Okay, so enough talking, let's just go and unbox this. Okay, the first thing I have here is their card, and the theme for this month is Glam Vibes. So right here I have everything I got, but I'm not gonna see this. I'm gonna look like this at the end to sum up everything. Okay, so the first thing I see here is from Kate Somerville, and this is her exfoliate product. Sure, you could see this, and this is Exfoliate. It's an intensive exfoliating treatment. So it's skincare, but I did choose this because I've heard so many good things about this exfoliator, and I'm excited to give it a try. Actually, this is the packaging. It looks really nice and sleek design, and then this is really cute because right here there's like a winky face, so that's pretty cute. Let me read what it says and the benefits of it. So it says, clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. So Kate's signature superfacial exfoliates dual dry surface skin cells to rebuild smoother, radiant, pore-perfected skin in just 2 minutes. So by clearing away dead skin cells, this Holy Grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen. And it says, making every product and ingredient that follows more effective. And then the retail value of this is $85. That's a really expensive exfoliator, so I'm glad I got this in my BOXYCHARM. Next product I see right here is from Trestic, and this is their Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essential Set. So that's pretty cute. There's 4 different colors. It's called, the colors are Maldives Luminescent, Moroccan Rose, Titanium Shimmer, and then Americano. And then this is what you see. It's really cute actually. I like the packaging a lot. And then it looks like you already have the lipstick there, but no, it's a cap, and then you open it and it's like a round. You can see, I'm sure you can see it here. Okay, so this is like the beige one. Then this one is like a pinkish mauve tone. You can see here. Okay, the next one, it's like a sure, this one's kind of skinnier than the other ones. Okay, that's just weird. Yeah, this one's smaller than the other one. That's just weird. Okay, so this is like, it has like a little shimmer, and then this one is also smaller. So there's 2 smaller ones and then 2. Okay, this has a different shape. Wow. Okay, I'm not sure. Look at this. I think this is for like your eyebrows, I believe. Okay, I have to read a little bit about this. Yeah, mini brow pencil. Oh wow, I thought they were all like lipstick, but no. Okay, so I'm sorry. The last one was a lipstick. This one right here that's also small, it's a mini shadow crayon. That's why it has like a little shimmer. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, this one is a mini blush stick. Okay. And then this one is a luminous. Okay, this is a mini highlight stick. Oh wow. Okay, I guess, yeah, since it's like the essentials, you could take it on the go. You have everything you need right here in this little packet. So that's pretty cool. I thought they were all like lipstick or something, but no. Let me just read. It's a Trestic Summer Glow and Go set. So must have mini set to get your perfect summer glow, and petite mini crayons. They're super cute. This mini set features the best selling shades of the highlight stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. So the ultimate on the go set for your summer adventure. And this set is $42. So wow, that's pretty expensive, but really nice to get it here. So this next thing, it's from the brand MODA Brushes Specialized Series. I'm not sure what this is. Let me read a little bit. It's called Blue Light Protection Mask. So it helps shield harmful high energy visible HEV blue light from laptop, tablet, smartphone, television, LED light, computer screen. Okay, and let me read about this product because I am not sure. It's okay, so it's called like a MODA Brushes Blue Light Protection Mask. So it blocks high energy visible light, HEV light, from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. So made specially for people that spend a lot of time behind computer screen, prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. Whoa, that's really cool because I spend like most of my time on my phone, since I'm always like on my social medias and on the computer and camera and you know the whole gang. Okay, so I do need this. I'm just not sure how to incorporate this into my skin routine, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on it, and I will probably let you guys know in my description. And this is worth $54, so that's amazing. So I'm excited to give this a try. I'm not sure if this is like a sunscreen. Well, it's not a sunscreen, like if it works like that, you know. So I'm excited to give this a try, to find more research information about it, how to incorporate it into my whole routine. So next product we have right here. Oh my god, this whole box has been like almost skincare. Sorry guys, I'm like all over the place, but yeah, this is a mask, and it's a Glam in Paradise gold foil mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. Whoa. Okay, let me see. I'm not sure if you open it and how many you bring, because I don't want to break the package, because I'm sure I'm gonna put this in my giveaway pile. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a skincare giveaway in my Instagram very soon. So it comes with 3 masks. This one is for Glam Straight Gold Foil Face Mask. Okay, it's vegan, and then it tells you here how to use it. And then this is Sun's Out Powder Gold Foil Lip Mask. Whoa, that's cool. This is a lip mask. And then I woke up like this. This is for the eyes. Wow, so it's like 3 different masks. So I'm not sure, maybe I'll stay with it. I'll probably give it a try, but if anything, I'll put it in my giveaway pile. But anyways, let me see the price of this, which is $18. Yeah, $18. Okay, and the last thing I have here is an eyeshadow palette. So this is from the brand Hip Dot. Let me see. It's called Crayon. Crayon is the name of it. Let me see if I can open this. Okay, so it has a big mirror, as you can see here, and look at these shades. Wow, it's really pretty. This is definitely up my alley, so I really like it. It kind of looks like the shades I have right now, so I really like it. And the other palette I got also in my premium box, it kind of looked the same, so I had like the same tones. So I'm going to see if I stay with it. I'm not going to do swatches just in case, but I really do like the colors. So the whole color story is definitely in my alley. So the price of this palette is $30. So now let's go ahead and open the calculator to sum up everything I received. And okay, so the first thing is the Case Summer Build, which is $85. Then we have the eyeshadow palette, which was $30. Then the Trestique Summer Glow and Go set, $42. The MODA Brushes Blue Light Protection Mask, $54. And the Glam SFG Glow, that's the name of the brand, mask was $18. So a total value of $229. this box was incredible, and you only, well, I only paid $25, so that's pretty amazing. And yeah, that's it for this box. I liked it. It wasn't my favorite, but it was like really good products that I think I am going to stay with all of them. So it was not a fail. And I really like the palette, the little mini lipstick, whole face kind of set. And then yeah, I'm really excited to give this a try and find more information about it. The Mud Masky Blue Light Protection Mask and the exfoliator, and I think yeah, I liked everything. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. If you want to see more of these, I'm going to be soon doing a lot of more makeup tutorials, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.